Okay, it's ready to ship. Everything is done, and it's what time it is? I'll bet you it is. Yeah, it's nearly 4 o'clock Saturday, April 17th, 2021. So I got everything done. Quite a bit of tweaking around. I got this. Is your cable nut. That's metal, and that is what is going to hopefully be picked up by the inductive proximity sensor. I still need to get you a number on that. We've got a half 13 set screw recessed down into the threads here. We've got a 1/4 20 set screw recessed pretty deep into the 1" 8 threads here. And then a smaller stainless steel 1/4 20 screwed in on top of that, and then I filled these with Lexan. With the exception of this one, I just left like that because you guys will have to take that out, obviously, to make your cable up and so forth. Now, the pipe had to be made up all the way in order to determine where to drill the keeper pin on the guide rod. Now the guide rod could, you could scratch and bump it a little bit. That's not going to hurt anything because it's really just going to be entering into a plastic sleeve right there. Now this part here, which is our piston rod, or a rod seal, has an O-ring seal right about here between this and this, and an O-ring here. So this needs to stay fairly smooth all the time. And this is 316 stainless steel. Then I had this brass 1/2 inch MPT male nipple is threaded into the rod seal through the bottom. And I've already pressure tested it. We're good. This is also an anti-spin I put on here, so I had to make another part. So there's a set screw on 2 sides there, and also one in the bottom that embeds up into the plastic. And so this serves 2 purposes: 1, to keep the nipple from spinning, and 2, to assist in holding the plastic, keeping the plastic from spinning, and to hold the plastic on the seal rod. So I'm most confident now. I didn't like it before because plastic strips out pretty easy, even though I used a pretty coarse, big 1/2 inch 13 thread there. I just didn't feel comfortable with it, so I added that on. This is Charlotte pipe, schedule 43 inch, the red letter type, and it fits snug, but not too snug. So I'll put that in there so you know. That's your receiver, your canister adapter right there. And then I'm just going to slide this whole assembly up into the valve, and I'm going to ship it all in one piece. I'll thread that 4 inch. Here's your threadlet, 1 inch, that you guys are going to weld in there somewhere of your choice. This is your top piece. That nipple is going to be replaced by plastic. Charles has already picked one out once, and incidentally, that's about where we're gonna have to mount your new sensor to tell the winch to stop when it's at the surface. And then these are spare parts: O-rings, some more of those seals. Now I did grease some of those up and put them in here. So there are some greased felt rings there you can try out to cut down on the gas seeping out as the cable runs through there. Anyway, that prototype's done. You can see I've got my scale sitting there, so I'll get some weights and measurements and package sizes next. And unfortunately, it won't go anywhere until Monday anyway. But I'm complete on my end. I did put the spacers on. Incidentally, I only used 4. I 2-holed them on both sides. I felt that was more than enough strength to withstand the weight of the baler when you bolt it on your plate. Of course, your plate, you guys will have to weld that on. That, of course, can slide up and down wherever you guys want. So there you go. We're all set. So thanks for watching. Look forward to dropping this off Monday or having it picked up for shipping on Monday.